Tauhan Apo BBM. My constant wish for all celebrators is for prosperity, good health, and happiness. But I will add success to my wishes for you. I want you to succeed as president because it would mean the strength, stability, and security of our beloved homeland. Always remember that it was not a Marcos only or Duterte diehard vote. It was a vote for Bongbong and Sara. And it will never happen again in history. It was a uniteam vote by all peace-loving Filipinos. Kaya kami ay solid na nasa likod mo, sumusuporta sa iyong pangitain ng bagong Pilipinas. I wish you prosperity, good health, happiness, and success. P.S. Meron daw dinner sa September 12 at syempre parang motorcade lang yan. Wala ako, automatic. Alam mo na yan. Ikaw na mag-represent sa akin sa birthday dinner mo. Mabuhay ka. Happy birthday.